Alright geardos, in this quick clip I'm going to show you how we at JayJays assemble our Molle system. Now two things that have come apparent from the working in the shop is that one, people bring in their gear and they've assembled their Molle in the way that they see fit, but it's really not optimal. And the other thing is people just genuinely often ask us how to put their Molle systems together. So I'm going to show you how we do it at JayJays. I'm going to use the JayJays grenade pouch for simplicity because it's got a small amount of Molle, but all the pouches are the same. And I'm going to use the JayJays Hippo pad. So to start with, get an idea of where you want the grenade pouch to go. Again, just for the video clip, I'm going to put it down these two channels here. And turn the pouch upside down and feed the two straps in. Now if you've got 3 or 4 straps, you feed all them in all at the same time. Once it's gone through your desired height, put it through the first loop on your pouch. And I find it much easier to work the two ends down together rather than doing one side first and then the other. I find it much easier to keep creeping down the Molle as you go. Select your next loop on the Hippo pad then. Feed the ends through. And once you're done, make sure there's no loose and you're ready to tuck the ends back in. Now you'll notice on the JayJay system we use a stiffened tab. We find that there's no need for any Velcro to hold it in, and there's no need for any metal clips which only degrade, either snap or stick together with rust, and then they just cause further hazards for fragmentation if you do trip an IED. So we just use a stiffened flap and we tuck that all the way in and push it home behind the pouch loops. And when you've got it on correctly, you just have a look underneath, make sure that all the loops are threaded through correctly. Yep, that's on properly, and you can see there's no way that's going to come off in a million years. Now people often say, but what happens if the stiffened tab comes unflicked? Well, if it does, lads, look, honestly, it still makes no difference, and it just can't get pulled out of there in reality unless you're sort of wrestling with an octopus. So anyway, that's how we do our JayJays Molle. Thanks for watching.